Welcome back to yet another review of cycles, and today we have Hercules Neo 24-inch. This is one of the bikes which can also double up as a BMX. It has a smart tall boy design. They have used Cypo brake levers. The entire frame is 14-inch and it has a Cotterless crank. It's a threaded stem and has attractive graphics all around the frame. Push the seat down and the bike doubles up as a BMX. The sandblasted handlebar gives the bike a premium look. The biggest USP is the range of a height of a person who can ride it from 4 feet 6 till 5 feet 7, thanks to the quick release saddle offered on this bike. I found the stock graphics on the saddle quite an interesting one and offering on a budget model as this. The bike is equipped with front and rear conventional V brakes, which makes the braking efficient as well as powerful. Fitted with alloy rims, now there is no worry of getting rust onto those rims. One of the things that I observed was the presence of threads on the front and rear wheel hubs, which shows it can be customized to a disc brake option as well. I spoke to the cycle vendor and they said they will be able to convert it to a geared cycle as well. That was all about the specs. Now let's talk about the riding capabilities. Who all can ride? Yes, you heard it right. Both girls and boys, men and women, they all can ride this particular bike. It's a unisex one. Since this bike is really light, it's very easy to handle it. The straight handlebar ensures posture correction and keeps you straight even with the rigid fork. Due to a wider tire and wheelbase, riding on the rugged roads is a comfort. This is a very peppy cycle which can be used for beginners and for the first timers. It's a fun to ride, easy to handle, safe bicycle. It looks like what they said in a commercial long back. Why should boys have all the fun? Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked it, please do hit the like button. Please comment and share your experiences, and please do subscribe to our channel.